everyone, welcome back to USA Dream Vehicles. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful and aggressive SUVs on the road, the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. This beast is back, louder, faster, and bolder than ever. Let's break it all down. Exterior design. The 2025 Durango SRT Hellcat screams muscle from every angle. With its wide stance, aggressive front fascia, hood scoop, and signature LED lighting, it's not just an SUV, it's a statement. The gloss black accents, 20-inch lightweight wheels, and Hellcat badging let everyone know this isn't your average family hauler. Interior design. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit designed for both luxury and performance. Premium leather trimmed, seats with Hellcat logos, carbon fiber accents, red seat belts, and a flat-bottom steering wheel give it that race-ready feel. The massive 10.1-inch Uconnect touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and performance pages adds both tech and muscle to the experience. Performance under the hood is where the magic happens. The supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 roars with 710 horsepower and 645 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60, just 3.5 seconds. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, giving you insane grip and control. Whether you're launching from a red light or carving up back roads, the Durango SRT Hellcat delivers an unforgettable thrill. Safety features. Despite all that power, Dodge didn't forget about safety. You'll get features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and lane departure warning. There's also a suite of airbags and structural reinforcements to keep you and your passengers safe. Overall, the 2025 Durango SRT Hellcat is the ultimate blend of power, practicality, and presence. It's a 3-row SUV that can smoke sports cars, haul your family, and still turn heads wherever it goes. If you want the loudest, fastest family vehicle on the market, this is it. Want a thumbnail title or video description to go with this?